votes in the Karnataka Bypolls election has presented a split narrative in the early hours, with the Congress and the BJP trading leads across key constituencies, highlighting a closely contested political battle. However, even before clear trends could emerge, drama unfolded in Karnataka. On counting day, officials were ready to begin the process. But an unexpected delay occurred after the keys to the EVM Strongroom went missing. The Strongroom, which houses the ballots for the Davanagere South Bypolls, remained inaccessible for some time. In a tense situation, a man equipped with the hammer and chisel was brought in to break open the locks, while security personnel stood guard around the highly sensitive area. The incident briefly delayed the counting process, drawing attention to possible security and procedural lapses. The counting of votes has now begun in both Davanagere South and Bagalkot constituencies, with a direct and closely watched contest underway between the BJP and the Congress. As counting progresses, the situation remains dynamic, with both parties striving to consolidate their leads and secure victory. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.